Hello all, welcome to my channel, and this is a photo as a reference editing this time. Before proceeding to the tutorial, don't forget create, subscribe and like. Yes guys. Maybe we just go to the tutorial. Here for your lighting you can like in this video, 0.10 EV. And for contrast you can give -80. Next. And for your highlights you can give -100. And here for my shadow give 100. And for white hue, I give -100, you can adjust it to the photo you want to edit. For the last, the black color I give -70. If we have proceeded to curve, you can set up like this video. Okay, if we have proceeded to basic coloring, or it can be called custom temp. Okay, the first is the temp I give 10, and for a pattern I give -32. Okay, we go to vibrance. For vibrance itself here I give 50. And the last is the saturation. For their own saturation here, we must match the image we edited. And here I give -16. Okay, if it's finished the basic staining, we proceed to the coloring or adjustment of the color. And you can see in the video for the process of improving the color. Okay guys, and here is the last stage of the editing, and maybe we just see it. For my texture it is empty because the texture is right in my opinion. And for you, you can add with the texture of your photo guys, it doesn't need it exactly the same as in this video. Okay, just continue the photo purification stage. And here for clarity I give 24, and for the fog effect, I give -6. Vignette, -16, midpoint, 14, feather, 80, roundness, 90. And for others, you can just empty. Okay guys, thank you by my channel. Hopefully the tutorial is useful for all of you. And don't forget, yes guys, push the subscribe button. And share also to your friends, so that your friend knows what you know. And see you next time guys.